Good evening, Hong Kong! Hey. Day 2 here in Hong Kong. I had a breakfast in bed actually. That was kind of nice. You know, I appreciate that with the well, you know, the Asian service standard. It's just higher than what I expect in Iceland. It's just, you know, it's better. It's 9:30, so I'm getting picked up at 12. I don't know exactly what the plan is, but it's something good. I got a local here showing me around. Then after that I'm having this lecture I came here to do. Okay, I'm here. Where are we, Albert?
Samshuibu area in Hong Kong.
Samshuibu area.
Yeah.
With my man Albert. We finished shopping. I had a little shopping to do, and as you can see, I am melting. You know, it's so humid. It's not even sunny. You know. We're gonna walk down this street here. It's an electronic market, second-hand stuff, interesting stuff. We'll see what we find. I have no idea what this is. Just a random old guy selling antique clocks. Seems like you can get pretty much anything you want, and well, a lot of things you didn't think you needed.
She make me feel alive, make me feel alive. Till you come back home, until you come back home, until you come back home, till you come back.
Look at all the buildings, residential areas. Everybody is drying their laundry just outside the window. You know, not a lot of space. These are not big apartments. So this is a residential area. I mean, you can see here the mailboxes, and also, of course, you know, the electric stuff. That has to be somewhere. Going upstairs, you know, I don't know if they're allowed, but more electric stuff. Look at that. Albert, don't give up. You can do it. It's a top. Sorry, Albert, all this work for nothing.
Well, actually, it's not for nothing.
Good exercise.
You can see the very local people, how they live,
Yeah.
and their living environment.
Be considered like a modern way of living in
What?
this apartment.
What?
Is it expensive?
No, that's cheap.
This is very cheap.
Very cheap.
How much, for example, for rent? The apartment here?
4,000 Hong Kong.
4,000 Hong Kong?
Yeah.
So about $800.
Yeah.
We couldn't come to the roof, it was closed off, but there were some people that allowed me to see their apartment. That was an unexpected treat. I didn't record there, but you know, it was still nice to see it. Albert asked me to if I wanted snake soup. And of course I said yes, how can I say no to that? And he was smiling when he said it, so I'm not sure. This is the restaurant. And I guess this is the snake. So here we have our
Snake soup.
Snake soup. Albert, what does snake soup taste like?
Chicken soup.
Tastes like
Taste-
everything tastes like chicken. Here we have the owner of this place, and he's going to explain to us what we are about to eat.
Well, you're having the steak soup.
Yeah.
Basically, what's inside the ingredients is the steak meat, and then there's also chicken meat, mushroom, wood ear, and basically, yeah, that's basically what
That's
it
basically
is.
it,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
basically what
Thank
it
you.
is. Yeah.
So, let's try this.
We usually put some lemongrass
Lemongrass, okay, let's do that.
grass and some crackers. Some crackers. Go along with it. Okay.
It does not have a strong taste of anything really. It's like it's what Albert said. It really tastes like chicken. Price of real estate in Hong Kong is very high, and I'm outside here a real estate agency, and you can see the sizes are in square feet, and this year it's then 5.08 million Hong Kong dollars. So he doesn't have to do the conversion to figure out what the actual rate is. So the prices I showed you are for example, for houses like this. Not in great shape, actually. So we have here always some misery that is happening in each big city. Here we have just the living arrangement of the poorest. It's always pretty grim reality, especially in a contrasty city like this, where you have all the fancy stuff, and just at the bottom of it you got misery, and a lot of it. It's lecture time, getting ready to start this.
呢度咪全部都滴晒血人係晒會員嚟㗎，有冇人唔係會員㗎？有冇人唔係會員？人哋推出去，冇喎，哎呀真係好啊真係。